Don't lose these.
This is upstairs.
Right, take them off.
These are the important. You need a screwdriver or a drill. I'm going to put these in my pocket. These are important.
Go in your pocket.
Are we not building it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot. It's not even funny. It stinks.
Goes together like a jigsaw puzzle.
I'm messing up very good jigsaw puzzle.
So you can't put in number 5
Without number 3.
without number 3. So you've got 3 slots into the 1s and 2s, and then the 3 slots in between the 3s and the 1s and the 3s and the 2s.
Oh yeah, now I see.
See?
Yeah. You're still doing a good job. Okay. Do you have an e-pad?
No.
Really? So do I have to get on my knees?
No, you don't have to get on your knees.
So
Get on the rucksack, that'll do it. Alright, I'll deal on that.
oh, this is so relevant. Okay, these. Do I just do it like that? This isn't. Oh, it's not very easy doing the second one, is it? Hold this like that.
Alex, just screw the screw. Don't twist that round, just screw the screw.
Not even a screw will go in. This way.
Yep.
No, I don't think it's this way.
This
Yeah.
is.
Wait. Shh, patience is everything. This way? What way? This?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, I'm doing it the right way. I'm doing it the right way.
Screwdriver, look. You can do it back and forth. You don't have to do
Oh,
it.
okay.
It
Okay, I got it.
makes it easier then. That's it, that's enough.
Okay. And then,
I'll leave that to
this
one
one's a bit
side.
wobbly.
Yeah,
No, it's not.
we'll tighten all the screws up
Okay,
once we've got
and
it done.
And then we need another set of 3s and another set of 5s.
Yeah, so we need to do the same principle all the way around.
No? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Okay, right. So then we need 6s. 6s are screwed in.
So now we've just got the fours to put on.
Yeah. Oh, it bloody reeks. Done.
Got all of them?
Mhm.
You've tightened every single one up?
Yeah. Comes off. Done.
Now put the fours on the other side and attach,
Done.
and attach them to those 5s.
Think smarter, think harder.
join all the 4s up.
Yeah, no, I think you're right with the 5s being on the end.
Yeah, there would be. We got to put them on the uprights, so you can't do it like that. So you need
So
to.
do I have to just do these and
I'd
then these?
make up another arch, and then we'll put it to this arch.
Okay.
So you need to join all the 4s up first. Now we need.
Screw it in.
Let's do it this way. Right, and then get the uprights. We'll do it flat, and then do it. Yeah, tighten those ones up, and then we'll get the flats. Do it flat ways, and then we'll lift it up. So 1 to 10, how easy?
Pardon?
How easy, 1 to 10?
So easy.
So
10 out of 10.
a 10.
Yeah. It's easy to screw it in. And it's easy to do it. I think I've done that. Okay.
It's bigger than I thought.
Pardon?
It's bigger than I thought.
You might need to move these up a bit.
No, I was going to do it there, so it'd be right in the middle of each of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can move that up a bit for that to fit in.
Basically, we have to make sure that it's the thin end that's pointing down in the arch, not the thick end. That's why.
Where's the other one gone?
Other one, but
Screw, that's the second screw I've given you.
yeah, I've got the screws in my pocket, I think.
Done.
Is that done?
I've done it.
Right, now we need to turn the frame over and screw the other side in.
It's too tall for me. Okay, then we need to bring the legs.
Right, then
Dad, it's gonna fall.
No, it won't fall. It doesn't matter. Right, then you want to put these screws in to
If I can reach.
there. Shut down into there.
I just stepped in the
There you
hole
go.
shade.
Put the
No, it
screws
won't go
through.
in.
No, yeah, it will. Yeah, it will. See? You just screw that in.
Oh, I'm stepping in the horse shite, aren't I?
Right, yeah.
Dad, I can't reach. I think it's better.
Yeah. Well, that way. Yeah, that looks alright. Once I grow something over the top of
They're
that
growing
arch.
Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, this. Right. Yeah. They are Brussels, but I wouldn't fancy eating those ones now
Right.
because they've gone past their ripe stage.
But why don't you take the little things at the bottom and you can regrow them?